Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2016 Rubicon. This is a unlimited 4-door. It has the cool wheels. It's a hard rock edition. It does have the steel bumpers in front and back with your red tow hooks. This is called Hyper Green. Very cool color. It does have the metal steps for getting in. It also has power locks, leather seats, Rubicon on the seats. This is an automatic transmission. It does have Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control. And as you can see, it's only got 16,729 miles. It does have AM/FM satellite radio, power windows, all your air conditioning controls, heated seats. It does have a 110-volt outlet, which is right down there. This is a 5-passenger. This thing's like brand new inside. If you'd like more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. It's a beautiful Jeep, and you'll only find it here at Firkins.